Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and walk over in Jeremy's office, and he's our resident specialist on concrete. So I'm going to go in there and watch. He takes it so seriously. If I call it cement, you watch. He's not going to take that very well. So watch this as I go in here. Are you planning on pouring cement on Monday?
You mean concrete, right?
So we're going to do a movie to show the difference between cement and concrete.
So everything, your driveway, you don't have a cement driveway, you have a concrete driveway. Concrete sidewalk, concrete floor, concrete stairs, concrete everything. You never have something made out of cement.
Never.
Right. Nobody makes anything out of cement.
So why don't they make anything out of just cement?
So cement is the expensive part of concrete. Cement is quite expensive to make. You have to take limestone, crush it up, heat it up really high, then pulverize it. And it's a big long process, really expensive. So you take this expensive ingredient and you add all the cheap ingredients and you get a material that fits our needs but isn't expensive. The underlying issue here is that everything's made out of concrete, right? But everyone calls it cement.
But I like to call it, I don't know.
So for the uneducated, maybe we ought to just get it out there. Cement is an ingredient in concrete. And here's the really good analogy, so Dave and all you our fellow viewers can keep it straight. Cement is like flour, concrete is like bread. So you put flour in bread, you put cement in concrete.
Like wheat bread.
Yes.
Why don't we do a little test with cement and concrete? Because I'm curious about the strength difference between just pure cement and pure concrete.
Yeah, let's do it.
Here at Jones and DeMille, we have a testing lab.
Top of the line.
Top of the line. So what we could do is we'll go purchase a bag of cement and we'll purchase a bag of concrete.
Yeah, I'm really curious because nobody ever makes anything out of straight cement. So I'm kind of curious how it works. I mean, we've got all this.
Test that.
We've got this theoretical knowledge, right? But not really any practical hands-on. So let's do it.
So where's okay, this is good, this is good.
Sure you can lift the cement into there, huh?
Yeah, go ahead and get in. You know what, I hate to say this, but I think you're lighter than my kids.
I'll teach him everything that I know. My buddy and me, like the climb up a tree. My buddy and me, we're the best friends could be.
What's up, Mark? This is Mark, our materials testing manager. I think I'm mixed. Oh yeah, that's plenty right there. Sorry. It was an accident, I promise.
You gotta have that point the other way. How much cement's in this stuff, does it say?
It's like basically nothing. It's the cheapest concrete you can buy.
It's like a one bag or something?
Nice. So when you're building a cylinder, how many times do you hit it with a rod like that, Mark?
25.
25 hits?
25 and 2 lifts.
They've been sitting in the water for 1 week now.
Yep, we're at 7 days.
There's Mark. What's up, Mark?
How are you?
Good morning.
Good morning.
Glad to see you made it in this morning, 11:30.
We're taking bets on what strength it's going to hit. What's your bet?
On that?
Yeah.
What's your bet, Mark?
7 days, 3,000?
He bet 2,200 PSI. I'm going to bet 2,201 PSI. Something like
That was pretty cheap at Dave, wasn't it? I mean, he takes all my expertise and then he just one-ups me. I mean, he's not even like using his real brains. He's just trying to piggyback off my knowledge.
Structural engineers, they know everything. Sits there and talks about mining concrete. You know roads. Come on. Where are we at right now? Read it off here.
Does this give us just straight pounds?
Yep, that's your load rate.
You doing the math in your head, Jeremy?
Breaking.
No.
Bro.
You did?
Yeah. You take 26,000. What is it? 220
Yep.
divided by 12.57.
2,085 PSI.
PSI. That's your PSI.
I win.
27, so Jeremy
I win.
All right. Well, one time, $5 to that guy. I'm gonna get $5 at Jeremy. This is that cheap, crappy Sackcrete though. That's why.
Straight cement.
What a letdown. So Sackcrete, crap.
Doesn't do very good. Never does.
48. He bets 4,800 on this cement. I am going to bet
Hi, Mark.
4,799. This is going to be pretty cool. This is straight cement. You never test straight cement, do you?
Never ever.
This is Lyndon Bryant.
28 days, so 77,000.
I can't lose to Jeremy on this one. Come on. The intensity's killing me. So 75,000 pounds. How high does the machine go, Mark, before we start having issues? So are we getting to the point where we're starting to see?
You're getting to the point higher than I'm usually ever.
Are you starting to get nervous about your machine breaking right now? Oh, something happened.
108,790 pounds.
Calc that up for us.
12.57. 8,600. Who's closest? King of the lab.
Nice job.
King of the lab.
King of the lab. I'll show you King of the lab. Oh, I hate losing.
Oh man, Dave owes me $10 now, but I'm not sure I want to ask him for it just yet.
So, yeah, I might have lost $10, but this is how I'll get it back. Let's see if we can get the best on it, Jeremy. Hey, Jer Bear. Come over, man. You like that?
I hate that
Jer
name.
Bear. Oh, he hates that name. I didn't know that. Now I know. Hey, come over. I want to talk to you about. We got to do one more test on the concrete cylinders. That's why we did the extra cylinders.
Okay, I'm listening.
We're going to do the standard ballistic impact test.
The standard ballistic impact test? No.
Yeah,
No,
it's
I'm
a
pretty sure you're
it's
just
a
making that up.
No, it's not. I didn't make it up. It's a standard ballistic impact test. You should know this, being a structural engineer.
Okay, I'm listening.
Through a standard ballistic impact test, I'll have a chance to actually school you on, how something that most structural engineers should know. But I'm not going to hold it against you. I mean,
Okay,
you're still young, you're. I've still
Bring
got
it on,
10,
bring it on.
15 years, so yeah, you're just still a young pup, and I kind of think you might look up to me as kind of a hero or something, like a.
Okay. So while you're dreaming, what are we betting?
So, we're $10. Speaking of which, did you ever get your money?
No, you still need to pay up.
So one of the most painful parts of the bet is paying up, but I'll pay up. That's what I do. So here's your $10. Don't look and see if it's real.
No, I was wondering why it's all wadded up.
Is it sweaty? Okay. So you got your $10. I'm going to let you choose your cylinder on what you think is going to handle impact better.
Well,
can
cement,
choose.
obviously.
Okay, that's fine. I'll let you
Cement's
pick
obviously
whatever you
going to
want.
hold up better. We already know that it's stronger in the compression test.
But what about an impact? That's a completely different beast, right?
Yeah, it's a no-brainer. It'll hold up better.
Okay, we'll see what happens. So I'm kind of excited to be able to show you the ways of the standard ballistic impact test. Let's go ahead and take a shot at the concrete. Just slide it right in that little hole right there. So this is just kind of our little test. So that was concrete. And it looked like you hit it. I mean, that was slightly anticlimactic.
Need a bigger gun, Dave.
I brought along another little trusty gun of mine, the 300 Ultra Mag. Oh!
So if you call something cement, like a sidewalk or a driveway, you're 100% wrong, but we still forgive you. It's okay.